Well, here we are. We got the USB mics. Tell us about them, Roman. What makes these unique?
Well, that's what we call the mobile recording studio, and it's really an all-in-one solution. So what we have here is actually a microphone with a stereo capsule arrangement. So it's two cardioid capsules positioned in 90 degrees, which allows you to capture a stereo image. However, it's not only a stereo microphone, it's also an interface. So what it has is actually, it comes with a breakout box. And on this breakout box we have a MIDI input, and we also have a stereo line-in input, as well as a studio-grade headphone amplifier.
Wow. Okay.
So, how does this work? Actually, the microphone offers 4 recording modes. Right now we can see that one over here, which is stereo mode. So I have an XY stereo image. I can now basically select cardioid pattern, so it's now suitable for recording vocals. The next mode would be actually our singer-songwriter mode, and in singer-songwriter mode you have again a cardioid pattern, but you also have a mono line in, so you can plug in your guitar. And last but not least, the 4th mode is actually what we call the sound card mode, and in that mode actually the captures are disabled, and the mono line-in becomes a stereo line-in, so you can grab a mix from a console, for example. So it's a very versatile solution. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, in all the 4 recording modes, you can also record your MIDI device. So it's an all-in-one solution. It connects to Mac and PC via USB, but it also connects to iOS devices via Lightning connector. It's a professional recording device, and therefore it needs quite some power. It's a high power USB device. That's why when you record with an iOS device, iPhone, iPad, iPod, it will use the internal lithium-ion battery, and you have up to 3 hours, more than 3 hours playtime actually available.
The battery inside that is really unique.
Right. Battery actually is charged by when you plug it into your PC or Mac. It's bus powered. But also, if you're on the road, you can recharge it with a commonly used micro USB cell phone charger. That goes in on the side over here. Well, again, this is a professional recording solution. So what you will find is actually that it got 110 dB dynamic range, which is pretty remarkable for a digital microphone. And moreover, it offers recording modes 24-bit, 48 and 41, as well as 96 kilohertz recording mode. Moreover, it has a professional-grade headphone amplifier. That means actually at 32 ohm, we provide 108 milliwatts output power, so you can power up your high-impedance studio headphones with that headphone amplifier. Mind you though, if you plug in low impedance balanced armature in-ears or your iPhone earbuds, then volume is going to be very high due to the high power, obviously.
And it's providing a zero latency monitor off the microphone as well?
Yes, that is one of the key features as well, because with iOS devices and obviously digital recording, latency is always an issue. And we have taken care of that by providing a direct monitoring and a tape return mode. And on top of that, you can actually blend the two into each other. I'd like to show this here. So right now we are in direct and return mode, so it's already blended, and this indicates that we're in this position, so it's a little bit more direct mode than tape return mode. I can go all the way to tape return. Now it's only tape return, and obviously that means that you will also have a 20 milliseconds relay when you work with an iOS device. If you work with a PC or Mac, you can bring the delay down to 3 milliseconds, 4 milliseconds, something like that. So it's a really high quality recording solution.
Tell us about the application. Do you have your own dedicated app that it works with? Is it proprietary? Tell me a little bit more about the app.
Right. Actually, for Windows, it's an ASIO device, so you have to install an ASIO driver. But with the driver, you not only get the driver, but you also get a control panel. So there will be a small software, and with the software, actually, you can remote control the microphone on your PC. When recording with an iOS device, driver is not needed because it uses core audio. And what we did is actually we developed a nice recording app. And the focus with this recording app is basically to make it easy to record and archive and find files on the go. So it's not a new GarageBand, so the focus is really on making it convenient to record a lot at the right point and find it again.
For capturing and archiving.
Yes. So what we see here is actually the start screen of our app, and you now can press new recording. I can select my recording modes in here. I press OK, and then I can start recording. Now I'm using actually the iPhone microphone. I can plug in any kind of microphone in our app. However, if you use it with our DGD 650, then the app comes for free. So as we can see, it records now the audio stream. I can stop that now. I also have the possibility to zoom in, so I can look at my waveform. It's also possible to set markers whenever I think it's necessary to remember a certain moment. Well, furthermore, we have simple editing functions, so we can append, overwrite, overdub. I can adjust certain meter settings. I can have a pre-count, for example. And yes, markers already set. We have simple tunes, headphone level, volume master, reset, and we will also follow up with certain audio functions like equalizer or limiters or compressors.
So these functions here are strictly in the software. They're not remote controlling whatever's in the mic, right?
Yes, yeah. Correct.
Okay.
Correct. Well, once you have finished your recording, you can basically then upload what you have recorded either to SoundCloud. Here you can adjust the settings, how you want to upload the file basically. You can upload it to Dropbox, iTunes and email. So that's basically the first version of the Lewitt recorder, and this is available now for a 30 days trial period on our website. So you just need to go to lewitt-audio.com/recording app and you find the download link there. We welcome everybody to test this product.
Great, thanks a lot, Ron.
Oh, it's such a pleasure.
Nice seeing you here.
It's a pleasure.
See you next time.
Yes, of course. Thank you.